Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about some more deals over at Walgreens. And over at Rite Aid, we're just repeating something, but if you missed it yesterday, we're going to jog through this deal. 100% digital, 100% awesome. If you have a Rite Aid card and a Rite Aid, go and do this deal. But in case you missed it earlier today, I posted a deal for this upcoming Saturday, which is the 6th of March. $2.40 for some Dollar General brand paper towel, toilet paper, or Kleenex. Hi, awesome deal. Check out this video linked at the very end. I also have a deal for these Klondike cones to get it for free at Meijer. This deal is also available probably really cheap at some other grocery stores, Kroger included. This will be at the very end. And you know how I'm always like, sign up for the Fetch Rewards app. Sign up, guys. This is $4.75 back on Klondike cones. I mean, OMG, that is a deal in its own. If you want to sign up for Fetch, check out the link in the notes. Sign up today, and don't forget to use my referral code. Okay, first store that we're going to is Walgreens, and this is a superb deal. Shout out to Sacktown Couponer over on Instagram. She posted this, and this is a great deal. So these Gillette Foamies are on a buy one, get one 50% off at $2.99. And if you read the tag, nothing special. But when you buy two of these, you will get back one $4 register reward, but it's not on the tag. So I grabbed two of the sensitive ones. Because I'm a sensitive gal. I just thought this would, so I don't smell like men's cologne if I'm shaving my legs. Too much information. But two of these, and it rang up BOGO 50% off, so I knew the deal was going to kind of work for me. So two of them, the first one you're paying full price at $2.99. The second one you're paying $1.49. That's $4.48. Now, you can use $4 in Walgreens cash if you wish. You're going to get back a $4 register reward, making it 48 cents for the two, or 24 cents per shaving cream. Now, if you wanted to do this more than once, you'd have to break it up, two per transaction, and hopefully that register reward will keep printing for you. But a great little deal for some very inexpensive shaving cream. Okay, the next deal that we have, and I tested this out because I saw a lot of people talking about this over on Instagram, and I had some subscribers messaging me saying, hey, check it out. So when you spend $12, you get back a $6 register reward. Now, this one is goofy, and I was saying I had some issues with it yesterday because nothing was tagged at my store, but I took a leap of faith today and did it. Because the verbiage of this says the word spend, you must pay cash for the balance, your credit card, bills, pennies, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens cash. Even though it's for a register reward, I would pay for the balance with money. Okay, so we're going to grab one of these, which is the Crest Gum Restorer for $6.99. Now, this one, they didn't have very many at my store, so it might be a harder one to find, but you're looking for this one. It's a very specialized package. Now, we have a $3 digital coupon. Boom, here it is. It's working on this gum toothpaste for $3 off. These are more expensive, of course. And then you're going to grab one of these called Brilliance for $6.99. Grab this one with this silver packaging. I made a little mistake here, and I'll explain it in a second. And we have a $3 digital that's attaching to said product. So just to show you, IBOTTA has $3 back for each. So if you're trying to do some midweek moneymaker, obviously you'd want to grab both. And $3 back is nothing to sneeze at. Now, these are the two that I grabbed. The top one is correct. The bottom one, I think, didn't give me back the register reward, that energizing one. So I would grab instead the one with the silver packaging, as I showed you earlier. I don't know why I grabbed that one, but this one in the yellow box. Grab that one. Maybe your register reward will print with it. But for me, it was just like, meh. But I did have a resolution to getting my register reward back. So grabbing one of each, guys, and they're $6.99 a pop. Okay, so that's $13.98. Subtracting two $3 digitals, so $6 is coming off right there. Pay $7.98 cash out of pocket. So bills, debit card, credit card, whatever you have. Don't use your Walgreens cash for this one. You're getting back a $6 register reward. Hopefully that prints out for you on the machine. Plus IBOTTA, you're going to do two submissions for $3 each. So it makes this free plus a $4.02 moneymaker. Look for your store tag saying, buy 12 or spend 12, get back $6 register reward. And then also double, triple check your IBOTTA that, it's still there, because sometimes the Ibotta rebates dive in and dive out, and you don't want to be without this rebate. Now, since my register reward for Crest didn't print out, I called customer service. Because of all of the pandemic vaccine appointments that they're doing, their lines are super busy. By the time I got to a rep, she just threw the $6 of Walgreens cash on my store card because the register reward did not print, and that was super duper nice. Unfortunately, the managers were in some sort of meeting at my store, so they couldn't even help me out, and the cashier couldn't give me a credit of $6 of Walgreens cash. So I had to call customer service. If you need to call them as well, you can either call this number, or alternatively, you can get in touch with the Catalina company and then make a submission for a register reward. Okay, guys, before we talk about Rite Aid, we're going to talk really quickly about Hellofresh. Hellofresh is a food subscription box. I have been with them for about 2 years, and I know a lot of you love to see the meals. So this is what we have for this week. We have this home-style chicken and biscuit pot pie. That is tonight's dinner, 1 pan. The crispy buffalo spiced chicken. I try to pick stuff because of the colder weather. Just food that's a little bit more comfort food that'll stick to your ribs. My husband loves these 2 dishes, so he's going to be so happy with that. And then one day for a fancier lunch, we have these beef and cheese tostadas. Now, this is about 10 steps above Applebee's, and for the price of what you're paying, it's really fantastic. They give you all the ingredients to make these meals, and I don't have to go to the grocery store and look for this stuff. And then if I really love a recipe, I have all the instructions to make it at home. So if you are interested in trying HelloFresh, check out the link in the notes. It's a $40 coupon code off your first box, making it $20 with UPS shipping included. And let's just say you want to try it the one time. You just want to sample the food. You have the option to try it one time and then just cancel your account right after or deactivate it. Or you might end up like on my program and be with them for 2 years. But it's a really convenient service, especially, if you want to coupon a lot and you work a full-time job and you just don't have time to run around at the stores. It's just a great, great service. And the quality of food is always great. I always say to my husband, I'm like, this is so fresh. And he's like, it's called HelloFresh. Anyhow, if you're interested, check out the link in the notes. $40 off a box, $20 shipping included. It is fantastic. Okay, so let's talk about Rite Aid. And if you do not get the P&G and you want to get in on one of these deals, it is when you spend $30, you get $10 back in bonus cash. This is a deal for you. So just to show you what I got an Unstoppable, a Tide Liquid, a Tide Pods, and then 2 types of Crest fancy toothpaste. I have my card and my husband's card, so I used my husband's card today. I grabbed one of these Unstoppables. I have this $1.50 digital coupon, Tide Liquid, and then we also have a $2 digital coupon that's attaching to that. How wonderful. So go and load all these coupons and do this deal. We have the Tide Pods for $5.94. And then we have also this $2 coupon. This deal just lines up perfectly. The fancier toothpaste for $6.99 and the $3 coupon. And then the final item that we have is another fancy toothpaste with a freshness peely. How great is that? And then we have this $3 coupon. So looking at the math for this one, the Tide Pods rang up a little different price because I am a gold member. So $5.83 for that. The Downy Beads was $5.94. The liquid $5.94. Crest Charcoal $6.39. Crest Brilliant $6.39 for a total of $30.49. I had $11.50 of digital manufacturers, plus I got the cashier to scan that dollar freshness peely. I had to pay $17.99. Basically, guys, on my store card, I have a bunch of bonus cash. So I just rolled it. And yes, you can spend your bonus cash to earn bonus cash over at Rite Aid. That's how we get so much stuff for free over there. So I did get back my $10 in bonus cash. So it's $7.99 for the 5 items or $1.59 per product. Like, shut up. That's a great deal. And again, if you wish to roll your bonus cash, you will still earn the bonus cash for this offer. Now, just to show you a quick visual of see, yes, I did get back my $10 in bonus cash. So this is a great deal any way you slice it or dice it. If you can look for 2 of those fancier toothpaste with freshness peelies, that's obviously the way to do it, but it's terrific when you can get a freshness peely to work with a deal like this. And you know what I would do if I was also, you guys, I would check IBOTTA. So even if you do this deal earlier in the week, say IBOTTA has those $3 rebates for these Crest, these fancier ones at Rite Aid later in the week, you have up to 7 days post to submit for that. So I would absolutely keep checking IBOTTA specifically at Rite Aid, because right now I think it's just CVS and Walgreens that has rebates with IBOTTA for those fancier toothpastes. But wouldn't it be nice to... So over at Meijer, these Klondike cones, I think it's either $6.99 or $5.99. My friend sent this over to me. So whatever the price is in store, it's either going to be really cheap or a 76-cent moneymaker. So $5.99 for this newer product, which is the 8 count of the Klondike cones. Whole bunch of different flavors to that. And this is at Meijer. Meijer is predominantly in the Midwest. Google if you might have it. There is an M perk of $2 off of each. So you can use this on multiple because the word each is at the end. So that's how that M perk works. And an M perk is basically a manufacturer coupon. It's just a nickname for it. Just to answer that question. So if you go over to the Fetch Rewards app and go to the Discoveries page, they have this, which is 4,750 points, which is $4.75 back between the 2nd and the 16th. So you have that window on these, they're called cones. So how fantastic is that? And then, if you look, here is the little list of what's included. Find it at your nearest Albertsons, Giant Food, Food Lion, Hannaford, Kroger, Meijer, Publix, Safeway, Stop and Shop, etc. So one of those stores. So if you don't have a Meijer, you can maybe grab it at one of those stores and look at your digital coupons if you might have something similar like they do at Meijer with that $2 off each coupon. At the very bottom, if you look, it says you can do it up to 5 times, and then it says max of 5 per receipt. So with that each coupon over at Meijer, grab 5, pay for it, and then you'll get that $2 off of each box. So it'll shake it out to 76-cent moneymaker per box of these Klondike cones. So definitely do this one sooner than later. How this typically works is when Fetch runs out of these, the deal is dead. So this is probably going to be dead within the next day or so, because whenever they have a high value one, like they did last Labor Day for the Sunday bars by Klondike, I mean, it went really quickly. Good luck with this one, guys. I'll catch you in the next one.